You too, what it do? So, today is starting out great. Let me show you what I got going on. I had a plan. I'm gonna just show you. So this tire, as you can see, it's flat. So gotta get some air in that tire. Gotta get some air in the Road Glide so I can take this thing on out because it's nice, sunny, and I got my music, got my tunes, and I just like riding Road Glide. So we're going to take the ZX-10 out because it's, like I said, just beautiful weather out here. Let's see this thing started. I haven't rode this bike in forever. Uh-oh. Sheesh. What is that? What is that noise? I don't know. I think that's the fans for the headlights, but that was crazy. Yeah, she hasn't ran in a long time. It's probably good I'm taking this bike out today. This thing out the bag. D-Walk here to save the day. D-Walk here to save the day. There she goes. About 30.
What'd you do?
Sit.
Charge it?
No, it's already charged. It's battery powered. And then I just set my PSI, let it charge. So I got it going to 37 PSI now. Well, let's I think I'm gonna have to check this thing for a leak because I mean even 30, 40, it was airing it up and my tire pressure don't get no higher than 3.6. So it's pretty much coming out just as fast as it's going in. I wanted to get three, this is like a normal day. I wanted to get 3 things done. And now, yeah. So it's coming out of the rim, the bead for sure. Which that might not be the worst problem we have. Yeah, so it's just coming out of the bead, it looks like. So maybe if I stand the bike upright and roll it a little bit, it'll get to where the bead actually seats. So let me try that. And we are now in yours truly, the R32 GTR. Why do I have so many keys on this rig? So the fuel pump prime. She likes all the fuel pressure. Yes, So I don't know how I quite feel about these. These are the Boss 210 injectors, 2200 cc's. Yeah, that's a tough one. I'm gonna swap them to see how it runs and check for leaks, but I am just going to, I don't like it. So I'm gonna have to either get a new manifold or get new injectors. And the newer manifold wouldn't hurt because this is the LS1 manifold, which isn't the best. They're not known to be the best at all, so swapping all these out. It's a pretty breezy job if you've done it, especially with this Holly harness here. You just squeeze these tabs. A lot of people break them because they don't know what to do, but you squeeze in that metal piece there and it releases it. So these pop right off. I have these 4 off. Popping these 4 off now. Super simple. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding your fuel rail, 10 millimeter. So those come right out, and then slide your injectors out and slide your new ones in. Like I said, I'm running for now to see how I like it, but I don't like it. Like, that's the thing. I'm gonna get in there and take manifold or injectors. But we're gonna get that on there and throw on a 2200 cc tune onto this engine and see how it runs. All right, well, they do a little bit of bling up top, do look kind of good. Gotta give it that. But I'm gonna get the fuel rail, slap back on top, bolt it down, and check for fuel leaks. And hopefully it works, because then we can tune the car for 85 on motor, and also we'll have plenty of fuel for when we slap that turbo, right? Yeah, we still gonna keep it on this side. I was thinking on this side, but I don't know. Unless I go twins. I don't know. Let me know. Should I stay with the single turbo that I have or ditch the single, put the single on the SS or something, and then put twins on it? Twins will look great. It's so much space. So much space. I don't know. Let's finish getting this thing together. So we... All right, so we got the new injectors in the car. Let's see, where's the fuel? Gonna set everything up for those and see if we can get it fire. There we go, Holly. Uh-oh. Let's allow it. Cool, so we got a Bosch 210s here. It's on it. Let's see if we can USB link. I have my USB plugged in. Get from ECU. Or send to, there we go. It is super bright out here, guys. And we're loading it. All right, so this one. Neutral. We got the Bosch 210 injectors in. Looks good. Don't see any leaks. Don't smell any leaks. So it's running a little funky, but in the tune it's set for 43.5 psi, and if you see here, we're at 60. So I'm going to back that down to 43.5 and see what we get. So I'm gonna come over here to the fuel pressure regulator here, just back it down. I got this all set, the regulator set to 43.5. It's running good, sounding good. I'm gonna get this bar bolted back up and take it for a little spin, see how it does. All right, I wanna get a data log on this new setup with the 210s. Let's see, I think I can log by hitting, see, sync with ECU. It should be synced, so we're online. Click this, toggle log, so it should be logging now. So let's go cut a block and see what we got. Shade it again. Well, folks, yeah, the 210s is in the GTR and it's still on motor right now, and it surprisingly runs good. A lot of people say, oh, if you get too big of injectors, it's not gonna run right, it's not gonna cruise right, it's gonna be all this and that and the third. That's a lie. That's cap. That's cap. Nah, the car runs good. It runs great. Yeah, I ain't got nothing bad to say about it. So now it's time to on to the next step. Got a lot. I'm gonna just save it for the next videos. Hope you enjoyed the footage for today. It is bright as all get out. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.